My name is Elizabeth Pisa. I'm 60 years old, still working, still running a household, take care of a lot of animals. I have two wonderful children who are adults, and they don't help out at home anymore. But I have two grandchildren that I love dearly. 2 years ago, I started with this shoulder pain in my left shoulder, my neck, my shoulder, and I had seen a couple of doctors and they thought it was arthritis and prescribed various uh, pills and some physical therapy. Nothing was working, and as the 2 years went on, the shoulder pain got worse and worse, and eventually my arm began to show some signs of paralysis. When I first met Dr. Pannu, the examination was thorough. He was honest. He told me everything from start to finish. And he at that time felt that I still could try some conventional methods. So I went through physical therapy, occupational therapy. I saw an acupuncturist that was on my own, a chiropractor, which was also on my own. And when I saw Dr. Pannu after all of that, he suggested the steroid injections. And I agreed, and I did 2 injections. And at that point, the injections were not helping. And I was very, very discouraged. So I saw Dr. Pannu again, and at this point, which was 2 years later, I told Dr. Pannu, I can't even pick up a coffee cup with my hand. I am no longer able to carry my grandchildren. I can't walk my dog because of the pain in my shoulder. And to me, my quality of life was diminished. And Dr. Pannu totally agreed with me. He went through everything. He said I had jumped through every single hoop. And perhaps at this time, my next avenue would be surgery. So I did end up having a cervical fusion, my C5 and C6 cervical discs. And so it wasn't as long as my family thought it was going to be. When I was out of surgery and into recovery, the only thing I had basically was a sore throat. Having the surgery 100% improved the quality of my life. I was never pressured to have it, but I jumped through all the hoops, and Dr. Pannu couldn't have been more wonderful from start to finish.